Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW M8 versus C63 AMG. We'll dive into their core differences, helping you decide which high-performance luxury car best suits your driving style and preferences. These two titans of automotive engineering offer distinct approaches to power and prestige, making your choice a thrilling one. Let's explore what makes each of these machines truly special. When it comes to raw speed, the BMW M8 competition is incredibly quick, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The Mercedes-AMG C63 SE performance is also remarkably fast, reaching 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. The M8 boasts a traditional V8 engine, while the C63 utilizes an innovative hybrid four-cylinder setup, offering different driving sensations and power delivery. Inside, both vehicles offer opulent cabins, but with unique flavors. The BMW M8 pampers with merino leather and elegant carbon fiber, alongside a high-end sound system. The Mercedes-AMG C63 counters with its distinctive AMG sport seats, a prominent central infotainment display, and customizable ambient lighting. Each car integrates cutting-edge technology and premium materials, ensuring a luxurious and engaging experience for both driver and passengers. Considering value, the BMW M8 typically starts at a price point over $140,000, reflecting its grand touring luxury. The Mercedes-AMG C63, with its advanced hybrid technology, begins at around $87,000, offering a different performance-to-price ratio. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize raw V8 power and ultimate luxury, or cutting-edge hybrid performance and a slightly more accessible entry. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.